Kuda kwache Tagore stands as a rare figure of enduring commitment. He didn't just join ZANU-PF yesterday, nor is his involvement the byproduct of political convenience. His roots in the party run deep, embedded in years of dedication that long precede the headlines and speculation that now swirl around his name. Sanabena mashoko kuda panguva ino achidzi Tagore says people rejecting his ZANU-PF elevation are profoundly ungrateful. Not about subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina paendo yakanzi Elder Tagore yamuri kuona muda wekuchinzi. It is important to recognize that Dr. Tagore's political journey is not some opportunistic prince, but a steady and resolute march alongside ZANU-PF's mission. His association with the party was forged not in moments of triumph, but through years of support, consistency, and belief in the party's vision for Zimbabwe. Those who now question his loyalty either ignore history or choose to focus selectively on the present, forgetting that the path to leadership is often paved with the sacrifice, not self-interest. The idea that Dr. Tagore is using wealth to secure a seat at the decision-making table is not just dismissive, it's profoundly ungrateful. Ndo mashoko anobuda chinyorwa panguva inoyi pane this X post yatikuona masupporters aiwa akuda Tagore panguva ino vari kuzama kumuelevata into the central committee panguva ino vari kuti aiwa vanhu vari kumurejecta they are ungrateful noda kuti avaoni influence yaTagore. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino kuri kwanzi pasangana vanhu vane maviews akasiyana. Vana Musangwa vanomuti according to our constitution hauzokumeta macriterias ekuti upinzwe mu the central committee. Vamwe vozvigananda vari kuya vachiti akamira nebato kubva kare achisapota ingava financially or nemamwe ideas, so anofanira kuvawo involved in the central committee. Noda kuti the party is also depending on him. Mashoko aripo panguva ino. Imi chimbotudzai moti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Enda comment section medu dzamufuro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.